ay tabulated by our registered and tawag dito. Basta yun. TTI, SGB, PIDEA. Ayan, lahat ng pwede mag-validate, tinap namin para lang po both quantitative and qualitative yung ating resulta. Okay, guys, this is in no particular order. May we call on Azrael's Maryland. Next. Next, Second Opinion PH. Ayan, so guys, validated po lahat ng nilalabas niyo po. News articles, social media posts, and ang aming partner auditing firms po ang nag-validate ito. That is, Meltwater. Tuloy-tuloy ko na po anuhin, tas one big picture na lang po tayo later. Davao Blogger Society. Okay, so rep na lang po later. Next, Cebu Blogger Society. Julian, receive mo na lang. Oo. Okay, so ipapadala na lang po namin both the trophies and the cash. Next, ito na. Manila Standard. Oh, Sir Madong, time mo na to shine. Ha? Ayan, basahin mo pa eh. Pati yung guys. Next, Business Mirror. Sir Alvin, Sir James. Also, si Miss Dina is here. Next, Honorable Media Partner of 2025, Philstar Tech. Marisa, Sir JD. Mrs. Marisa. Ayan, si Marisa. Next, Philstar.com. Congratulations! Next, Inquirer.net. Yes! Next is Manila Bulletin. Okay, guys, hindi pa tapos. First batch of Honorable Media Partner of 2025 pa lang yun. Next on the list, When in Manila! Next, Review PH! Miss Alora, Sir Monch, next is the Titos of Tech. Ayan. Sir Bob, Sir Angie, Sir Rocky, and of course, Sir Eli. Next, Gadget Match! Rodil? Bumaba na. Next, Orange Magazine TV. And mga Team Orange, let's go. Next, Lionheart TV. Yes, ang daming fans. May enjoy ko po.
Becky of ano? Ono.
Next is on Geek. Oo. Rolex lang pala yung hindi magpapalim kay ano. Kay Tony. Next, Noisy Geeks. Adam. Adam. Okay, hour na lang sa kanya later. Next, Gadget Pilipinas. Ay, si Patrick. Ayan, si Patrick. Okay, forward. And to receive. Noisy Geeks. Patrick. Sabihin mo kay Adam walang ganyan. Para sa sabihin mo kay Adam, trophy lang. Okay, last two. Gadget Pilipinas. Ay, sabi mo na pala. So, pakinukunin. Ayan. Guys, yung last honorable media partner natin led the year for reach and quantity of honorary materials. And as mentioned by Pao kanina, for next year, magkakaroon po tayo ng 10 winners, meaning 10 honorable media partners of 2026 who will win a paid trip for two. A paid trip for two to Japan. So that includes visa processing, that includes hotels, and that includes, yun lang, walang flight. One way. One way. Oo. Pero dalawa kayo. Ayan. And this last honorable media partner 2025 is a mark or a proof na totoo po yung aming promise sa 2026. So, ako nun. So this last honorable media partner of 2025 will get a paid trip for two to Japan Oh, pero summer, sa summer. Sa summer, oo. Mura kasi yung flight pag August. Oo. So, our leading honorable media partner of 2025 is Yugatech! Alam ko nandito sila pero hindi ko sila makita. Oo. Congrats sa inyo. Si Wax yung bumaba. Okay guys, may this be an inspiration po for 2026 because we will award 10 winners of trip to Japan sa ating next year's OO Honor Media Thanksgiving. Grabe. So mag-away-away na lang kayo kung sino yung dalawa. Ay, isa lang pala kasi ako yung gusto. Yes, congratulations Yugatech and the rest of our honorable media partners of 2025. Next year, lahat po kayo may trip to Japan na, yung honorable media partners.